Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. This is my real trades, my real positions, and we're joined every day by traders around the world who equally share with you their trades and their investments and their real money. And then we discuss it before and after the shows 24/7 on Discord. If you want to be part of Discord, links are all below. If you become a YouTube member, we can help you raise money for your favorite charity. I've raised over $1 million in my music studio. I'm known as the World Piano Man. I performed all over the world, and we give away money all the time. Every Friday we have a cash prize giveaway. We have a newsletter. It's free to enter, free for all. We're here all the time. We do all the opening bells, the closing bells. We're live over 10 hours a day with all the earnings reports. Yesterday was Johnson & Johnson, and we also covered Netflix. Today, of course, it's Tesla, the biggest one of the year. This is what's driving the markets down right now, preparing for what's about to happen with Elon. We know the markets are going to be a little bit juddery over the next month or so with all the earnings season, but generally I feel we're going up. I think we've hit bottom on high-tech, high-risk stocks. The general market may have a bit more to go, but pretty much we're there. The majority is upward movement from here, and in fact over the last month you can see from my portfolio I'm actually up, as you can see, nearly 16%. We just dropped back a little bit this morning. All right, so we're all looking good this morning. Who was here first? I'm here, but in TV, the background maybe nodding off. Knight fell out of bed. Oh dear, what happened to Bill here today? Fell out of bed and he's not very well. Let's hear all about it. Bill, one of our original members. How are you, Bill? Lovely to see you here. Sorry that you've had a bad night. Mike, one of our star members, he's received the You Are the Best trophy. Only one other person's ever received that. Here is Bloom. Good morning. One of our guests this morning. Not a member of the family yet, but certainly a guest. If you'd like to be a member of our channel, let me give you the link right now in the chat. Ask any of our members. You get many perks and benefits. They tell you get 20 times back what you put in. It's not designed to make me rich. It's designed to help you. The whole membership program is to benefit you, help you grow on YouTube, help you grow on TikTok, help you make money, make friends, promote what you're interested in, fundraise if you want to for a favorite charity, celebrate your birthday, give you top tips, give you your own channel on Discord. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. Anyway, let's get straight into the chats and welcome to our guest this morning. Bloom, I subscribed. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much, Bloom. Where are you from? Let's give a welcome to our guest. I'm Martyn Lucas from the UK in Cornwall, but my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. That's where I'm calling you from this morning. Welcome to you. If you want to be a member, I've put the invitation for you in the chat. Ask our other guys. They're the guys with the badges and the ladies with the badges after their name. They'll tell you they do it for a good reason. San Antonio, Texas. Well, that's cool because I'm going to go there for my second Kickstarter. My first Kickstarter was to go to Virgin Orbit and make a film, Virgin Orbit. And I'm going in October. We're having a convention. People are getting together. We're all going to meet each other in England in October. That's happening. And then later on, I'm going to New Mexico, and I'm going to Virgin Galactic. So maybe see you there. That's our second Kickstarter. This one ends in 2 days. If you want to be part of the making of the film, support the project, there you go. It ends in 2 days. All right. Okay, let's get straight into our trades this morning. Let's see who's with us. First of all, who's with us over there on Twitch? We have our Twitch account. If you subscribe to Twitch using your Amazon Prime, it's free. It costs you nothing. Just associate your Amazon Prime with it. And if you do that, you'll be in a monthly draw. We have cash prizes and actual merchandise prizes to give away every month for free. Cost you nothing, and the subscription is free if you do it through your Amazon Prime account. Okay, if so, what are your thoughts? Have you heard about FaZe Clan going public? I haven't. If you become a member, and you can become a member just for a couple of bucks, I can review the stock, make a video on the stock, promote the stock, talk about it in the show, and actually make a video during the show and then upload it afterwards as its own video. I will do that as long as it's available here on Robinhood, of course. All right, there you go. I guarantee he hasn't a clue who FaZe Clan is. No, haven't got a clue. I just said that. Never heard of it. If it's a crypto, then which it probably is if Paul's making a comment like that, then probably not. And I know for a fact that's not on Robinhood. All right. Okie dokie. Let's get straight down to it. Welcome everybody over there on Twitch this morning. Thank you. Everyone on YouTube, good morning to you. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. There we go. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. No, it's a stock. Okay. It's a gaming team. Okay. Paul B on back order. The kid says hi, though their favourite world piano man. Hello, kids. Let me do a zoom. What's the names? Put the names on the screen. Let's say hello to Dexter's kids. What's their names? Dexter's kids. How are you this morning? How are you in the world? What's going on? I'm waiting for your dad to put your name on the screen so I can make you famous right now. And if you share this video to all your friends, you're going to be really, really famous right now. Ella. Good morning, Ella. How are you, Ella? You having a lovely day? Is your dad being good? Riley. Good morning, Riley. How are you? If you click under this video and click share and put it on your social media, I don't know how old you are. I don't know if you have social media, but you'll be famous today. The World Piano Man said hello to you. That's Ella, Riley, and Katie. Let's not forget Katie. Fantastic. Hey guys, as your dad is a member of the Day Trader, and Elijah, how many kids have you got? It's like a whole bloody football team here. Elijah, Katie, Riley, and Ella. Now, as your dad is a member on the Day Trader, you need to tell your dad the day before, or the day of, or the day after your birthday, and we'll celebrate it on the show. And your mum, and your nan, and your gran. All right, so anybody in your family, all of you, you've got to tell your dad either on the day before, the day of, or the day after your birthday. And as a member of the Day Trader, we will celebrate your birthday. You get your own video to show all your friends at school, or I don't know how old you are, I'm just guessing. And then you'll be as famous as your dad. All right, let's get back to the trades. Nice to see you guys. There you go. Oh, there you go. All right, we're all about family here. It's what we're all about. All right. Hey, Love Island fans. Bloom says hello. Bloom, if you become a member, you can have all your family celebrated with a birthday. What we do is we do a birthday song. We sing in the birthday. The balloons come down. You get your own video to keep. It's great. You get, there are people who pay me $500 to make them a video, like a Telegram video for their birthdays. You get that for free as a member. All right, here's Dave Mottram. Good morning. Right, the markets are going down. Let's have a look. The Vanguard S&P is down this morning. Virgin Galactic is down 0.79. I'm starting my own frigging country. You are, Dexter Sickles. You are. It's about time you put a stop to it. What's going on? All right, okay. Virgin Orbit, Tesla is up 0.59. Earnings report tonight. For Elon Musk and, of course, Tesla. Here it is. Here it is. Tonight, who's going to be the first to leave a comment? Get ready for tonight's show. This is the big one of the year. We're very excited about it. Here it is in the chat. I'm going to give you the link right now. Go and like it. Click notification. I'll put it 3 times. See here, you can click like. Just there, look, see that? And then you click notify. Notify me. So the bell goes off and you'll be notified, all right? And you can go over to the chat. And NYS is already a bronze member. And you can go, hi all. Mike beat me. Oh, look at that. He's always on it. He's always the best. Mike's got such a organized way of doing things. He's always the first. Brilliant. All right. Okay, there you go. So get yourself signed up for Tesla. All right, there you go. Always great to have an earnings report. Netflix, by the way, last night was a disaster. I waited for an hour and a half. They finally went live. And then I had some technical issues. But what can I say? What can I say? Right, we're still down at the moment. Let's carry on. Lucid is down. Polestar is down. There we go. Restream. Ali over there on Twitch. Good morning, Twitchers. Let me check how Twitch is going this morning. If you can help me on Twitch, keep a tab open. Helps us grow on Twitch. We're trying to get to 100 people watching us live in a show. 75. Our average is 3. We want to get an average of 75 for the next little bonus. All right, it's quite exciting setting yourself targets. McDonald's is down 0.11. Coca-Cola is down 0.29. Johnson & Johnson is up 0.18. I bought the dip yesterday. The earnings report was okay. It was better than expected. They exceeded expectations, which in this market is a win. Google, I've bought a lot more Google now. I have 12 shares of Google. 13th highest crypto in the world, Polygon Network, one of the best, up 60% over 7 days. Fantastic. That's pretty good, right? 60%, that's a good number. We like that. We're coming on to our crypto right now. IonQ up 0.63, PayPal down 0.89, Rolls-Royce up 3.54, just 5.71 to go. Walmart is up 0.19. Target is down 0.23, but I'm up nearly 2% now. Tesco's up 1.68. Canoe Go is flat right now, but I'm up 11, nearly 12%. On is down 0.9, but I'm up 13% overall. Tilray Brands is flat right now. Ginkgo Bioworks is up 0.31, okay. And Enphase Energy, our solar, is down 0.69. Okay, let's get into our crypto. Bitcoin SV, we are down 1.83, and then we've got Bitcoin, which is up 1% today. I'm up 20% on my Bitcoin, but you know how I work now. I am not paying any more for it ever again. Everyone keeps telling me, oh, you'll buy when it goes to 30. No, I won't. No, I won't. My average is 19,000. I buy it when it goes below 19,000. I buy it when it goes below 18, 17, 16, 15, all the way to 10. When it starts going below 10, if it ever does, then I start thinking, hang on a minute, is it going to 0? So that's the way I look at it, all right? I'm not buying any more because why do I need to? If it goes to $1 million, I've got plenty of money here, not paying taxes on it, not taking gains. I will sell it in 20 years when I need to retire as my lottery ticket, my bonus, if you like. Should we invest in Matic Paul B? Paul B is our crypto expert, probably our crypto expert on the show. He often calls into Discord. Discord is open. Let me open Discord now. If you are a member of the Day Trader, you can call in, and I'm opening it up. Should Paul B wish to call in? If he calls in, we will have him on the show. Okay, Discord is now open. Discord is now open. All right. Relief rally is now in Bitcoin possible towards 28. Well, if that's right, then that's great. I will have a nice little lift off from 19 to 28. Paul B is an expert. Yep. He knows a lot more than me, so he's a lot more expert than me. No question about it on crypto. Absolutely. For the pure fact, he does his research. Oh, I didn't give everyone the. I can't believe it. Did I give everyone the? Oh, I did. I was thinking, did I give everyone the Tesla link? I did. Did we get anybody to click on it? Yeah, 3 likes. We got a couple of comments there. There we go. Fantastic. If you've not yet gone to Tesla, here it is. This is the earnings report after hours tonight, after the closing bell. Be the first. Get yourself in. There it is. Go and click on it. Ring the bell for notification and click a like. If you do that, the video has more chance of going viral when we go live. If everyone's liked it and left a comment, it helps it grow. Right, we're down at the moment, 0.96. I'm just holding my position right now, and we're going to wait a little while to see where we go. We've got 45 minutes before the bell goes. Now, today is a show that will end by 10 to 10, which is 10 to 10 Eastern Central Time, 10 to 11 Eastern Time, because I'm going water aerobics today, so we have to end the show on time. Now then, if you've just tuned in for the very first time and you are not receiving our weekly cash giveaway, we have 3 this week. We're giving away a mug on Twitch for free. You only need to subscribe, and you can subscribe on Twitch for free using your Amazon Prime. So here is Amazon Prime. It is free. You might as well. Very, very easy. There you go. And we're going to give a cash prize and all sorts of prizes away on the first Friday of every month. You don't even need to be over there or watch. You just need to be a subscriber. And you'll get all the information on there or YouTube, wherever you watch it. Doesn't matter. All right? Very, very easy. Now, if you want to be a member of our channel, here's the invitation to join. And you get all the perks and benefits, as you all know. I'm going to give you all the Discord as well. Here is the Discord link if you want to get over on Discord. Remember, you can only see the public channels until you become a YouTube member. And then you can discuss with everybody. You can call in live, message everybody. And there you go, all our traders and investors. And I have all my stock picks going into a new channel called Stock News, Martyn Stock News. And I'm going to start posting my my top picks in there starting today. Rob Options Trading. Rob Options Trading. Rob, are you options trading? Let's have a look. What's Rob saying? After my successful Netflix play yesterday, I'm thinking of using the profits to invest in Tesla. Tesla play, Tesla call options. Okay. Rob Brennan, have you sold your Netflix yet? We obviously need to go and look at Netflix right now. For Rob Brennan, of course. So let's open that up. Netflix. Now then, I said it would pop up and then go back down. It is going back down at the moment, so my prediction was right so far. Have you sold it? Are you able to sell it yet? Are you able to access your account yet? I know it's a bit early for you, pre-market. Are you able to get in at the moment? So there you go. Are you able to get in and trade? It's, as you can see, it is just falling back. It is up, though. The earnings was better than expected. It may continue to climb if you are a fan. Now, like you see often on Shark Tank or Dragon's Den, if you're in England, the sharks or the dragons often say, I'll be a customer, but there's no room for me as an investor. I am a customer of Netflix, but I'm not an investor. I have been, not anymore. Because at the end of the day, they don't do anything proprietary. They have a channel, a streaming channel that anyone could replace, anyone could do it. And I honestly, I am not a huge fan of that business model. And not only that, they only really do streaming. They do some gaming, I believe, last night from the earnings report. I learned that. But for me, Disney, Apple, Amazon will be bigger than them. I don't think they can compete with those guys. And they even said, I think they admitted last night, which is not an admission, it's a fact, they said we have 110 million subscribers globally. And that's nothing. It really is nothing. In a global market, in a global streaming market, that actually is nothing. And they said, you know, we can grow. Well, that's like going on Shark Tank and saying water is a $1 trillion business. I only need 1% of it. Well, yeah, but to get 1% of something that's great is a different ball game. But anyway, that's just my theory on it. I'm just saying I don't think they do anything proprietary. But you know, a lot of people like Netflix. I like the product. I subscribe to it. I watch Netflix nearly every day. I'm watching a series right now on Netflix called Alone. People on the going alone in the wilderness. It's great. But that program could live just as happily on Amazon Prime. Who cares? I don't. I'm just saying. Right. Anyway, let's look at it right now. But of course, it's good for the S&P, right? So, you know, if it goes up, it's good for the S&P. Right. Okay. Vanguard S&P, as you can see, it's down 0.33. Had a good run yesterday. I'm just 1.87 down now. Looking good. Now then, if you've just tuned in, we've got 11 likes, 19 watching. So click subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up, please. There we go. Give us a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And that'll be great. Netflix will get new customers if they allow crypto payments. This has just come in from Paul B. For subscriptions, as would the likes of Disney. These companies will make a killing when they activate payments in crypto. There we go. Certainly worth doing. Certainly worth doing. I'm imagining the only reason why they don't want to do it is because at the moment, which crypto they're going to allow, they don't want their money to go to nothing if the crypto asset goes to zero, do they? So potentially it's a good idea. Once we've got a stable asset, a coin that's been around a long time, that consistently goes up, consistently holds its value, then I'm sure they will. But this speculative market isn't good for a company that relies on revenue. Market Profit said he's short-term bullish on Tesla. So I know. Now I'm a permabull when it comes to Tesla, and you've got a bear like Market Profit saying he's bullish. So there you go. If you ever want an endorsement for Tesla, there you go. There you go. Remember, it was $1,200 a few months ago. Elon's Dogecoin. Well, yeah, I guess. But Elon also owns Bitcoin as well. We know that. I don't think how I pay really would make a difference whether I subscribe or not. No, it's not whether I subscribe or not, but people who are into crypto, people into crypto love the experience of using their crypto. They love to find ways to use it. So if you don't invest in crypto, period, your comment makes sense. You think, well, I'll just use my credit card and get 3% cash back, which is what I do. I pay mine with my Bank of America cashback card and I get 3%. I never pay any interest. I don't pay any bank charges. Bank of America's not going bankrupt. It's never going to disappear. I pay for the service, get 3% cashback. That's better than any DeFi project. I'm not losing money. I'm guaranteed not to lose money. It's protected by Visa, so I got fraud protection. You don't have that with DeFi. I get 3% back. I put it against my tax because it's a business expense for me because I research. Research watching the telly. Seriously, I do. I put it as a business expense. If the tax man's listening, he's going, hello. You know, that's great. Bank of America is backed. It's not going anywhere. So I am completely safe with that. It's free. Don't pay any interest. But people who invest in crypto, the next level, like me, I have some crypto, as you know. I don't spend it. I'm just holding it forever, all right? And I'm accumulating it when it becomes lower than my average. That's all I'm doing. Simple, really. I have no stress or fear or worry or anything. In fact, I'm like Warren Buffett. I just wake up every morning and hope it's gone down. I never want it to go up. I always want it to go down. It goes up by itself. But I want it to go down. I only buy it when it goes down. I've got limit orders for all these things, and when they go down, I just buy some. That's it. Did you see my links for YouTube, Martin? All right, let me have a little look. Links for YouTube. Links for YouTube. Links for YouTube. Rob Brennan, Elon Musk and Twitter. Yes, I've seen that one. We'll go to trial. Yeah. If he wins that case and puts his money back into Tesla, Tesla will go up to $1,000 in 5 seconds. Because he would probably buy his shares back of Tesla. So I'm just saying that's what could happen. But anyway, thank you for that. Let me bring it up and share it with everybody. I'm sure everybody would like to see it. Let's open it up. Thank you, Rob. This was sent in by Rob over on Discord a few moments ago. Thank you, Rob, for sending it in. Oh, hello. Oh, I see. New York Times doesn't want me to see their page. Let's try another link. Yep. Try that one. New York Times. It'll go up there. It'll stay there for about 3 seconds. Enjoy it. Look at it for a few seconds before they say you got to subscribe. Elon Musk and Twitter will go to trial over their $44 billion deal in October. There you go. See? There you go. Boom, it's gone again. Whoever wins will go up a lot. Yes. Yes, indeed. Rob Brennan, buy. I might buy Twitter and... Oh, don't buy Tesla. Sorry, don't buy Twitter. Did you see my links for YouTube? Yeah, I've got that. Whoever wins... don't buy Twitter. Twitter's the old reason we're all here in this mess. Elon Musk buying Twitter. Forget Twitter. Honestly, does anyone think Twitter's worth anything? 54 billion. I use it every day. I get a few tweets, a few comments. What's the point of it? The only people who benefit on Twitter is Elon Musk. He gets a lot of attention, but he can drive the markets. For him, it's probably worth it. But I don't know why Elon Musk can't just be a user of Twitter to promote Tesla and Dogecoin and all the things he does, to make markets go up and down, which he does. He should buy Twitter with Dogecoin. He should buy Twitter with Shiba Inu. I just think it's well, I can't use that word anymore. Oh, by the way, 24 hours to go, I will find out if I'm back on TikTok, remember? I'm not there anymore. But using certain words now, got to be careful. Got to be careful, right? Twitter is great for having arguments with strangers. Yeah, that's about it. It's silly, pointless. Anyway, there you go. 37,000. We're down 0.86 today. But we're coming up now. Netflix, we're watching this one for Paul Brennan. Paul Brennan, I presume you haven't sold it yet because you can't operate pre-market. Is that right? Is that right? Just confirm. Ha ha, exactly. Here he is, our friend from Korea. This guy here, right, our friend from Korea, because I can't read his name. I can't speak Korean, right? I'm honoured that we have a Korean here. How lovely is it? This guy joins us every day. I will tell you that he requested Take On Me, Aha. And if he is here at the end of the show, we will do it for him. The other day, he requested it, gave me a tip, disappeared, and then I couldn't play his song. So there you go. So I hope you stick around today so I can do your song. That's correct, Rob says. I bought 192 though, so hopefully we'll get some profits. 192, oh yeah, you will. Enjoyed Mandy last night. J-Max, thank you very much indeed. J-Max, we got a lot of visiting guests today. Can you see everybody with their badges? Ask them why they're members, guys, and they will tell you. I make no money on my live streams. So it's my members who support the live streams. If a YouTuber wants to make money, they make videos. They make videos. 99% of what I do is live streaming to build a community. I'm trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. Support charities. We've raised over $1 million here in our studio. And I'll do a live song for you in the show if you request a $10 super chat or upwards. It covers the copyright that I will get flagged and lose on the ad revenue, which is a couple of bucks a video. That's all I get. All right. There you go. Yes, Ali. I'll be careful. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful what I read out now. I know it is ridiculous. You know, and everyone knows, most honest, real, genuine person online. I'm here to help people. I'm here to raise money for people. I'm here to support people. I want everyone to grow their YouTube channels. I want everyone to make money. I give away what I earn in the show as prizes. But I did make a mistake. Somebody was attacking me and saying everything I do was bad, right? So, you know, I called them STUPID. I'm trying to refrain from using these words now. And that's what happened. I got taken off TikTok. Now, I don't know if I am taken off permanently, because one message says I am. One message says I can be live this time tomorrow. So tomorrow at this time, you shall see. I won't start the show on TikTok because it goes live. I was taken off 15 minutes in. So about now is when I'll go live again. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, it's awful, isn't it? You reported someone for being like that, and that was okay. Yeah, it's awful, isn't it? Anyway. Your moderators well, that's why we have moderators, because if the moderators had deleted it, yes, I would have not seen it and not reacted, because I am an emotional person. I don't trade with emotion until I get margin called and lose all my money. Then you saw me get upset. But yeah, But, I mean, Mike sent me a message. He said, Martyn, TikTok is silly. TikTok has some silly content, but it's a very, very powerful platform. You know, not everything you see online is good, right? Anyone can create on Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, anywhere. The majority of content is nonsense. It is. It is. But the platform isn't. The platform is built with the best algorithm there is. It gets me subscribers probably more than any other. In fact, not probably, definitely more than any other platform. It's phenomenal at growing my channel. I'm monetized. I have subscribers. People pay like $4 a month for exclusive content and replies to their questions. And I promote them on TikTok. I make them videos to promote their channels, and then they get monetized. So TikTok is a great channel. I just have to learn, as a creator, I have a responsibility not to react to people that are having a go at me. That's it. Bill was a moderator. Yes, he was a moderator, but as you know, you saw Queen yesterday get hacked, and I only have moderators now who first of all update their passwords. We ask you to do that regularly because you get hacked. If you get hacked, this channel gets hacked, guys. All right? If you get hacked, this channel gets hacked. And that's what happened to Bill. That's what happened to Queen, and started to delete people, right? And also set second two-factor authenticator. And knowing you, Bill, I don't think that's really your strong suit. Technology, you've always said, isn't your strong suit. So I'm not sure that you'd know how to set second factor authenticator. All right, you download the Google Authenticator app, you add YouTube to it, and then when you sign on, it adds a second level of security. And I just don't think that you would cope with that. You've always said, you know, you struggle with the technology. The Queen did it, and I hope my other moderators have done it. You just add it to an extra level of security, and it will help. It doesn't just help me, it helps you, because if your channel gets hacked, you won't even know it, but you'll see it here. We get spammers come in, we get people deleted, and so on. I do it all the time on Google. What you do? Authenticator, second factor authenticator. You've got the app, the Google Authenticator app, have you? And you've signed in using that on YouTube. You've updated your password. It's not 1234, and you've used a Google Authenticator. Because you should always use like a hex number, like 16-character password. People that use 1234 or their birthday or their names, people, you know, scammers have bots that try all those passwords. It's incredible what they do. Whereas they can't, their password creators can't guess a hex number. You know, 67 uppercase, lowercase, 42 ZYJX exclamation mark. They can't guess that. It's impossible. Horvath, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ali's probably Love Island the best. Hello, everyone. Horvath. All right, how are you this morning? We've got a big day today. Is Rob123 not a strong enough password? What do you think? Because the bots are programmed to try all that. They are programmed to try what people use. All right, so no, Rob123 would be discovered by a bot in seconds because they would all try that. They'd look at your name, 123, absolutely. You know, Ali, you should start a Love Island coin. Netflix is going down. We've got a few minutes to go now. I hope it stays above the 195. I think it was 195 when Rob Brennan got in. He can't trade it. So annoying he can't trade it, isn't it? Right, need to run a quick commercial break. The Discord lounge, broadcast lounge is open for our members to call in. Ali Isles is just logging into Rob's account. Brilliant. Rob123, Rob123, help yourself to free money. All right, thank you ever so much, everybody who's opened a tab over there on Twitch this morning. Thank you very much, guys. Keep it open. It always helps our channel be here on YouTube as priority, but Twitch really does help our channel. We've got 5 subscribers now, 5 people in the draw for Friday. If you're not yet in the draw, there's a 20% chance you're going to win the mug tomorrow. And maybe even higher, because if you're not in the stream, you won't. So if you want to win a mug tomorrow, you've got at least a 20% chance, if not probably 30 or 40% chance. All you've got to do is subscribe to my Twitch account with your Amazon Prime. It's free, it will cost you nothing at all. Everyone is allowed 1 subscriber that they follow on Twitch with their Amazon Prime. It's free. I would imagine everybody here has got Amazon Prime, so everyone should be a member to everyone should be a subscriber on Twitch. It costs you nothing, and I've got cash prizes and all sorts. So on the first Friday of the month, it's like you're all investors and money people. Well, it makes every financial sense to be a member, right? I'm just saying. eToro has assigned me an account manager because I have a lot of money in there. Oh, is that right? You got an account manager? Oh, check you out. Check you out. Bill's got a mug. Bill's got a mug. Yes, he has. He's got a mug and he's on the screen. Look, he's on the screen. Right, we've got... he's on the screen. Look, here he is. Look. Here he comes. Here he comes. I say here he comes. There we go. That took a little while. I'm not sure why that took so long. There you go. There he is. He's just there, look. There's Bill. There's Bill, look. There he is. There's Dexter. There's Mike. Down here, look, we've got Rob Brennan. Can you see my Twitch messages? Yes. Let me go and have a look. Have I got any Twitch messages? I'm on Twitch right now. I've got no messages at the minute. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you for my coffee. Hey, Mike, Leah just brought me a coffee. My Twitch. Most recent. Not all stream. You belong. Oh, not all who stream are as dedicated as you. You belong in a new class of streamer known as Twitch affiliates. Take part in the program. Blah, blah, blah. I am taking part in the program. If you send me a message on Twitch, yes, I will get it. Hello, says Lights F. Hello, Lights F. Yeah, I see it on here as well. I see it on here as well. Look, it comes through on YouTube. I can share it. That's your Twitch message. And this is your YouTube message. Yes, I can. Thank you very much indeed. I can see it in both places. And don't forget to subscribe by tomorrow, because on Friday we're giving away a mug. And if you subscribe using your Amazon Prime, it's free. And you will be in the draw. Are you a gold member on eToro, Rob? He's a gold member everywhere. He's not a gold member here, though. He's a silver member here. He can't afford to be a gold member. Twitch check-in. NYS. Hello, Twitch. NYS, how are you? That's it. Keep it open there. Brilliant. Okay. So let's run a quick ad. Did we run the ad? I forgot. No, we didn't, do we? All right. Okay. Need to bring everybody up to date. Okay. I think I'm a platinum on eToro. That's equivalent. A platinum is equivalent to our sponsorship level. And then we have Kryptonite, which is the investor level. And by the way, investor level is like a secret society. On my channel, I have an investor level. And I cannot tell you who is a member, who are members. All I can tell you is if you're an investor member, and it is for the absolute elite, it's very expensive. It is for people who wish one-on-one videos. So if you are an investor member on the Day Trader, you request one-on-one videos. You request videos made in your honor and only you see it. So someone says to me, can you make me, I don't know, Brian Adams, everything I do dedicated to my wife. I record, I make the video, I upload it to YouTube, and no one sees it other than the investor member. It's very exclusive. It's for very, very well-off people. It's like an exclusive club. There you go. I can't tell you who's in it. I can't tell you who are members of it. And there you go. Each of the investor members know who else is in it. It's like a club. But there you go. I'm an investor, and Martyn sends me videos of him in the bath. No, he's not. Bloody yeah. He's not. Don't listen to him. Need 250,000 to be a diamond. Oh no, I'm a platinum. There you go. Oh, you have an account manager from Gold, I think. I'm Gold at the moment. I wouldn't expect pre-market trading from them, though. But who knows? Who knows? Right. The markets are, we've got 15 minutes, just over 15 minutes to go. Been in Nile for 2 months, finally back in the green. Thanks, Leah. Mike says. Welcome, Mike. You've got to write that on YouTube, Leah. Every time he says that, you've got to go, welcome, Mike. Anyway. Put that on your list of 1,000 jobs to do every day for me. You have a lot of money on eToro then, truly. Yes, he does. All right. Anyway, the market is trying to come up now. We are really keeping our fingers crossed for Netflix for Rob. He's up. He's making money. He might hold it. But my suggestion, and it's only my suggestion, is he sells it, he takes his profit, and he puts it in Tesla. That's what I would do. First time I bought Space was at $9.05. First time I bought Space, Ali, was $35. First time I bought Space was at $35. Anyway, so we're down 0.89, going sideways now. It's going to be an explosive day. Shall we? Does anybody want to select a poll? Our members can select a poll. $35, yeah. Do you remember when it went to 70? It went to 70. You remember that? You remember that time? Oh my God. Yeah, 35. Yeah. Look, here, look. Look at all this. Oh yeah. Look. Up we go. It went to 70. It just doesn't show on the chart, but it actually went to 70. I know. Look at that. Actually, let me just check. 52-week high. Let's have a look. 52-week high, $35. Last 52 weeks. Okay, that was over a year ago then, June 18th. Okay, that's why. I was looking at it thinking, right, okay. I don't, unfortunately, but I've never been in the space scene. By the way, I'm thinking of shorting Enphase sometime before their earnings. Great company, but I'm thinking they're overpriced, especially compared to other stocks. Enphase Energy. I am in Enphase Energy. Don't you dare short it. And I tell you why I'm in Enphase Energy. Right? It's solar. Best solar, the best solar, one of the best solars you can be in. And the other day, it dropped 10% in a moment because the government said they're not backing it. And I went, watch it go up, and it went up past that point within seconds, look. And I said it would because with the fires in London, for the doubters of climate change, if we don't accelerate now, solar and wind, we are absolutely barking mad. We have to do it. We have to do it. So Enphase Energy, solar and wind farms, if someone can tell me, and I've been trying to find out, who the biggest and best wind farm company in the world is. Who makes all the generators? Is it GE? I think it might be. I don't know. I want to get into that because that is going to accelerate. And even if governments are daft enough to say, I'm not backing wind or solar, private sector will just take over. I don't care what they say. And Enphase Energy proved that beyond a shadow of a doubt. Enphase Energy popped up virtually straight away, and I bought a 10% discount. You cannot keep wind and solar down, at least for the next 20 years. Horvath says, I agree. I wouldn't bet against Enphase Energy long term. Just a short term idea. Well, it's a rubbish idea, Horvath. I don't want anyone shorting any of my stocks. If anyone's shorting Virgin Galactic or Tesla, keep doing it. And you know why I want you to keep doing it? You know why I want you to keep doing it? Because every time you short the stock, it goes down. I buy more. You get short squeezed because it always goes back up. Great stocks always do. Remember, I've always said, shorters always win the first war, but they always lose. Sorry, the first battle, but they always lose the war. As long as it's a good stock. If you're shorting a stock that's going to go to zero, then you're going to win because it's a rubbish stock, right? But if you're shorting something that's great and always going up in the future, you will just win short term. Anyway, it's because the Branson flight was just over a year ago. Yeah, that's right. I just looked at that, yeah. Rob, I saw a tweet this morning. Richard Branson was doing one of his Virgin holidays, Virgin hotels, whatever, and guess what he was wearing? Guess what he was wearing? Does anyone know? Richard Branson during a photo shoot at one of his hotels, one of his holidays, activities. I forget what it was. Guess what he was wearing? Does anyone know? And what is the best wind farm? That's the questions of the day. But is solar tech that's been around for years really worth 200x price hike on the stock? No, I get what you're saying, Lights F, but it's forward thinking because Elon Musk has said that he can power the whole of the United States. Elon Musk has gone on record saying he can power the whole of the United States with solar. He has the money, the equipment, the technology, the resources, and the land. He could do it. But the government don't want it because it means turning off all the gas stations. It means there's no point powering the whole of the US if no one's going to plug into your system, right? So it's just politics now getting in the way. But as global warming gets worse and as the environment gets worse, whether governments want to or not, or whether oil companies like it or not, we have to go green. So for me, even though it might be at 200 times price at the moment, we will grow into the stock price because we haven't even remotely touched the sides of solar. And Tesla will be at the forefront of that because of their power walls. They just haven't started on it yet. It's not been really it's a minor detail right now. They're focused on cars, but the AI, the robots, the insurance, the other stuff, you wait tonight. I bet Elon mentions it. There's a prediction. I bet Elon Musk mentions solar tonight. I bet someone talks about it. There you go. See what you think about that. UK had to go ahead for a new nuclear plant today. Well, that's clean energy as well. Nuclear's okay, but I prefer wind and solar though. If people are short in Virgin Galactic now, they have some serious. Yeah, you know why, Rob? Because they're going up against me and you. That's why. Piano Man jacket. No, he wasn't wearing the Piano Man jacket. It was Virgin Voyages, I think. Didn't see what he was wearing though. Vestas, the Danish wind. Hang on, Vestas, the Danish wind, the world's largest wind turbine maker. Vestas. Okay, Bill, I'm going to write that down. Vestas wind. Okay, that's one to research then. I want to get into wind. You might say our mine's got plenty of wind. Vesta wind. There we go. Vestas is third. NEE is the largest wind farmer in the US. Okay, NEE. But you need to know who provides the equipment, which one to invest in. Is it an ETF? I've got ETFs that were involved in that sort of technology, but he said he can power the whole world with 8 gigafarms. There you go. Look at that. Thank you for your explanation. I'll scoop a dip. Lights F. Will Elon be on the call? Yes, Rob Brennan. Ladies and gentlemen, I officially announce to you live tonight on the Day Trader Elon Musk will be live on my show. That is a fact. That is a fact. Elon Musk will be live on the Day Trader tonight via the earnings call link that they share to everybody else that I pick up and stick on my channel. That's the caveat. I just want to be clear on that. But Elon Musk will be live on my show tonight. Yes, he will. Yes, he will. Spread the word. Dexter Sickles, tell your kids Elon Musk will be live on the Day Trader. He will. NE is the largest. GE is next. Okay. NEE, largest. Okay. Largest. And GE next. Okay. Okay. I've got to look into that. Some important news by now. Vesta is third. Vesta Wind third. Okay. I'm writing all this down. Okay. Right. Okay. What was he wearing? He was wearing, Elon Musk is on the Day Trader. Yep. You scared me. It showed BSV was 26. BSV was 26. Hang on. BSV's 57. You're all right. You're all right. If it was 26, I wouldn't buy any more, though. Pretty big guest. Yep. Call in Elon. Call in Elon. What was Branson wearing? Branson was wearing his Virgin Galactic Spacesuit for Virgin Voyages. Oh, yeah. Check it out. He was wearing his Virgin Galactic Spacesuit. Brilliant. How much would you give me if I got Elon to call into the show? I'll give you $20 because you can't do it. Elon will be nervous about being on your show. In the right of the screen, it says 26.5. What? What says 26.5? Hang on. In the top right, it says 26.5. Hang on. In the top right of the screen, on the previous screen. Hey? It says... What do you mean? 26 point? It's 57. He can't. I don't know what you mean. Was I on a different stock? I don't know. Bitcoin SV is most certainly 57.60. Anyway, 26. Oh, BSV. You're talking about. Oh, I see. No. Are you looking at this? That's my gain. You're looking at that, aren't you? That's my gain. How much money I've made. Oh, don't worry. This number here is how much profit I've made on BSV. Oh, Lights F. You know what? Just for that very thing, you need to be a member of the Day Trader. Does everyone think that Lights F should be a member? He's like always here. He acts like a family member. He's always supporting the channel, but he doesn't get birthday celebrations. He doesn't get his own Discord channel. He doesn't get priority comments and mentions and stuff like that. He doesn't get the badges. He doesn't get all the social media connections. Should he be a member? I reckon he should. Anyway. We got just over 5 minutes to go. The markets are starting to come up. Netflix is still going down. The overall market is coming up. Virgin Galactic, Vanguard S&P. Hang on a minute. What happened there? VU got closed down. Let me open it up again. Right, there we go. Virgin Galactic. It's coming back up. Virgin Orbit. Trying to buy some more. We got a few little glitch there. Let's fix that. Tesla's coming up. I just spilled. One moment. I just spilled. What you spilled? What you done? Ali and Elon go to Love Island to help populate the world. Ali and Elon. Me and Elon are like this. Me and Elon like this. I got connections, see? I got connections. Don't you ever doubt it. Right. Okay. Vanguard S&P, yes, going green again. This is very, 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 very good news today. All right, and the markets are coming up. Did you buy the dips? Only if they're below my Only if they're below my averages I'm buying. Okay, we got 5 minutes to go. Now then, we got people watching the show for free. It's disgusting. It's terrible. They're watching the show and they're watching for free. I can't believe they're doing it. It's incredible. Water all over my desk. Oh no, thank heavens I have water resistant one. Oh no, what happened there? There we go, back at the studio. I did that just to test something. Because I've now got a new button on my Stream Deck. Look, I can go backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you that. I don't know why. Anyway, there we go. Let's get back to the trading screen right now. And this is our overall portfolio. Coming back up again. S&P looking good. This is good news. Good news. I want to see Tesla have a great day. I want to see Tesla pop today. Peter Maycott, that's my new free view. What's that, Peter Maycott? What's your new free view? What's your new? That's my new free view. What's that, Peter Maycott? Now then, we've got just 4 minutes to go. So very, very quick just to announce. We've got the cash giveaway on Friday. Here is your last chance, coming up to your last chance to get the newsletter for next week. Now then, here it is. If you click on this newsletter, we've now got 114 subscribers, but not everyone has verified. All right, we've got 114 and 86. 86 are verified. So when you click on that link there, it will take you to 114.86. There you go. Click on that link, put your email in. I will never sell your email. I wouldn't even know how to be honest. I wouldn't send any spam, whatever. You see this page here. And all you do is put your email in, nothing else, no name, no date of birth, no age, no address, nothing like that. Just your email, and then you verify it. Now, because I give away cash giveaways, sometimes it puts into your junk folder. So the email that you're searching for, and this is what some of you haven't done, and if you've not verified it and you don't receive the email, you need to go and do it. There's the newsletter just there, look. That's what you're searching for, the day trader at martynlucas.com. Tesla is coming up. Netflix is holding, but it could dramatically change. There it goes. I want Rob to get out of it. I might be wrong, but I don't like it. I don't like Netflix. There's nothing great about it. What's I going to say? Johnson & Johnson, a much stronger company, much stronger history. They had a good earnings, but theirs went down afterwards. Netflix will go down. I'm sure it will. So I'm just saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. You've made the money on the bell. You've got a minute to go. I'm just saying, if you can get out of it. Now, don't take this as financial advice. Please don't do that. I know you don't anyway, but I think it will go down. You've made a nice, handsome profit. Take it, put it in Tesla. That's what I'm saying. Right, here we go. 1 minute. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1 minute to go. Here it is. Watching Netflix. We're watching it. It is part of the S&P. It does make a contribution to my portfolio, but not much. I'm not too worried about it. I want to see it do well, obviously, for Rob Brennan, S&P, and everybody. But I'm a customer, but I'm not an investor. Okay, here we go. Cheeky, you. Ba ba. Cheeky, you. Cheeky, you. Ba ba. Oh, just a few seconds to go now. We'll keep our eye on Netflix for the benefit of our star member, Rob Brennan. Here we go. Ready? Here it comes. We're gonna get ready now. We're watching Netflix closely. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Ready? Here we go. And 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay, the market's now open. What's Netflix going to do? We're watching it very closely. Netflix, it's at 208. There it goes, 205. What is Rob Brennan going to do? Post Rob, what did you do? Are you holding it? Are you selling it? I know you've got a profit now, a nice profit. Are you taking it and buying the Tesla this morning? Because remember, if it goes back up, so will Tesla. So you might make more money on Netflix, but then Tesla's got more expensive. So for me, I would sell it now and I'd buy Tesla now. That's what I would do. But what do I know? I'm just a guy on YouTube. Don't listen to me. The S&P is coming straight back up. There you go. Vanguard S&P is holding. Virgin Galactic is firing off right now. Virgin Orbit. Tesla's going up. The opportunity to buy Tesla is already going, but it might come back down. Netflix is going down. Rob Brennan, what are you doing? Talk to me. Rob Brennan, are you selling your position? I'm late to the party this morning. James M, good morning. We got Rob Brennan who's bought a ton of Netflix, thousands of dollars of Netflix. He's up, he's made a profit, but it's going down. My top tip of the day would be to sell it, take the profit. I think it will go down, it will continue to go down, and buy Tesla. But Tesla is already going up. The portfolio is on fire. Look, I've turned green again for another day. It's every single day now. Vanguard S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up 1%. Virgin Orbit is up 0.8. Tesla is up 1%. Why the expected run in Tesla? Because it's buy the rumor, sell the news. We've got the earnings report tonight. We got the earnings report. Johnson & Johnson was better than expected. Goldman Sachs was better than expected. And now, because of the inflation, the war, and everything else, COVID and everything, people have priced in, they've priced in the share price to be bad, really bad earnings. So if you have an earnings that is not good, it's a bit bad. It's regarded as good because it wasn't as bad as expected. So if you can pull off a good earnings, Johnson & Johnson, they were up. They exceeded expectations, as did Goldman Sachs. But Netflix, not so good. We knew that. No surprise. Rob Brennan, talk to me. He's probably trying to sell his shares. So Elon Musk will surprise you tonight. I think there'll be more talk of the robotaxis, more talk of solar, more talk of the AI robot, which is around the corner. Rob Brennan sold at 203. Rob Brennan sold at 203. Okay, Rob, how much did you make? How much money did you make? Rob? Arrival's going up, so Netflix, he sold it. I think he's made a good profit. Yeah, he wouldn't have sold it for a loss. I know that. I know how he works. With Tesla mega factories being money furnaces, I'm not expecting anything good. Yeah, I know. That's right. They've already priced in nothing good. So if it's okay or reasonable or not as bad as they thought, even our perma bull market profit says Tesla will rocket today. So there you go. Have you bought Tesla? It's still cheap at 746. That's my opinion. Arrival. Let's go through it right now. Rivian is up 1.72. Lucid is up 1%. Polestar is up 1.26. Arrival 4.5. I might be in the green for one of the first times. I think I've been in the green a couple of times actually. I need to correct that. But anyway, pretty good. Amazon is up 0.87. Apple is down today, but I'm only down 1%. That's coming back up again though. We're up 0.89. Robinhood is up 0.66. McDonald's is down 0.26. Coca-Cola is down 0.56. Sold a bit of space at 766. Also bought 25,000 of Tesla. Bloody hell. The numbers that you play with. Gonna buy 1,500 worth of call options 2 ahead of earnings. Rob Brennan, you're a legend. 25,000 of Tesla. Love it. If only I could do numbers like that. There you go. Up 1.62. Maybe I will one day. What do you reckon? Amazon is up 0.76. This is great. Apple is now green. Hood is now up 0.83. McDonald's down slightly. Coca-Cola Arrival is up 4.5%. I am up I'm at 1% right now, 1.19. We are now pumping again today. This is very, very good. Coca-Cola is coming up. Johnson & Johnson has gone down 2.45 right now from yesterday. I'm not buying any more. It has to go down 5% before I buy any more. But I am, when I get mega cap great companies with dividends, I buy on their dips. But if I'm up, I do not buy anything. I only buy if they go below below my average by a significant amount. Microsoft doing very well. Facebook doing amazing today, 1.54. Let's look at crypto. I bet it's up to follow everything. All it does is follows the main markets. Ethereum is up now 48% overall, but I've got nothing in it at all. I'm waiting for a much lower price. Bitcoin is up. I'm up now $54. I've made $54. Thank you very much indeed. I'm okay with that. All right. Let's go to Bitcoin SV. That's also up today. Not as much, though. In fact, it's down slightly. Right, let's go back to the main portfolio for a minute. Enphase Energy is up 3%. 3%. Solar is going to take over the world. I think it's better than wind. I do. I really, really do. I think solar, I know for first hand. I have solar. My house is off grid. You can put millions and millions of solar panels with batteries in the desert and power the world. No maintenance, nothing. And you could grow vegetation around it. I think Enphase solar, this is the absolute future of the world. So I am very happy to own 6 shares of it. I'm up 23%. I've made $268. Very, very happy with it. Netflix is just coming up slightly, but it doesn't matter. Rob Brennan, he sold, what did he do? He sold it at 203, 204 right now. Might come back a bit, but doesn't matter. It's got more chance of going down, in my humble opinion. But he's used the money to buy SPCE and Tesla, which I think has, whoa, 38,000. 38,000 now in my portfolio. $38,000 now. We're up 10 grand over the last few weeks. Look, we're up on the live. We're up on the day. We're up on the week. 15% on the week. The month now we are up. We are up 18.8 on the month on the month. Absolutely incredible stuff. 3 months now, just down $17,000. Remember how bad it was. Look at my all position. Look how it's really starting to correct. Now then, it did it before a mega dump. See this? Up we went and boom. I think it's different now. I have a much lower prices. Much lower prices, and I keep buying the dips. Okay, up 1.55, 38,000. We could be back at 40,000 before we know it. My crypto portfolio is up 87% on the month. Lights F. Why aren't you a member? There we go. Here's the invitation to join. Become part of the family. All right. Get the fundraisers. Get the Discord link. Get all the perks and benefits. All right. Let me promote your YouTube channel on my homepage. Let me give you more subscribers and viewers. I'll do all that for all my members. Right. Netflix. It's at 204. I'm a Twitch sub. You are. Did you Lights F? I just want to make sure for your benefit. Did you use your Amazon Prime to do it? Because it's free. I don't know if you've got Amazon Prime, but if you have, use Amazon Prime. You probably have. You probably know about that. I don't know. But anyway, Amazon Prime is free to be a subscriber. And we give away a star prize every first Friday of the month. We're doing it this Friday as the first one. And if you subscribe as a Amazon customer, I don't believe so. I have it, but I like... I see. You can only subscribe to one person on Amazon Prime. Okay, so I just want you to know that. Now you might have liked the others, but if you can only subscribe to one using Amazon Prime. I just want you to know, because that way you could be in our cash prize draws for free. So I'm just saying, and never pay anything. So I'm just, again, this channel is all about saving you money and making you money. Right, look at Netflix. I think Rob did the right thing. I don't like the way that's sitting there. It could go down to under 200. I like he sold it. Anyway, move on now. It's done. We're up 1.26. This is nuts. If you buy the dips, this is what happens, right? S&P is up 0.07. Up 0.12. Virgin Galactic up 2.34. I don't know how I'm going to contain myself when Virgin Galactic goes to $20, $30. My portfolio is just going to, I've never had that much money in my entire life. I'm going to be falling over myself. I'm not going to know what to do. I'm going to need you guys to give me some advice. All right, calm me down. Calm down, Martin. All right. Subscriber, ring the bell. If you've just tuned in, let us know you're here. Subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. We got Day Trader of the Day coming up. If you're over there on Twitch, good morning to you. Good afternoon. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Got 5 today, 5 subscribers. Thanks to all of you that are following me and subscribing. If you can keep a tab open, I really appreciate it. It helps grow our channel. Thank you very, very much indeed. If we get an error on Twitch, let me know and I restart the stream and improve the quality for you. In fact, I can see it right now, so I'm going to do it. Oh, Tilray Brands. Tilray Brands, we've got breaking news. It's up 5.62. This is the news in Germany, I believe, trying to push through and get it approved in Germany. So if you're over on Twitch, I think there is a slight, yes, there is a slight error. So I'm going to... It doesn't like my 4K stream. So over on Twitch right now, I'm just going to end the stream and then restart it for you to clean it up. Hopefully that will fix it. It's what happens, unfortunately. They can't accept the higher bandwidth. I don't know why. I thought they told me they would when I got to become an affiliate, but that didn't seem to be the case. But anyway, never mind. So here we go. Let me just restart Twitch. Tilray Brands up 6.46. 6.46. Okay, Twitch, we're just ending it and we'll restart it for you. Okay, back to the main portfolio. Netflix, it's gone down. There we go. There we go. I'm glad you're out. Really, really glad you're out. Okay, that's done now. We don't even need to talk about it again, do we? Right, let me restart Twitch right now. Let me restart Twitch right now. Here we go. No, it doesn't. But I stream in ultra HD, not technically 4K now. I've reduced it to see if that would work, but it's ultra HD, and it always glitches. They want me to reduce it to a low level, and I just don't want to do that. I don't want to sacrifice the quality on YouTube. It just seems counterproductive to me. But as it grows, I'll see. If I end up with more followers on Twitch, then maybe I'll reduce it. But there we go. Anyway, I've restarted it on Twitch. You might notice. There we go, guys. If you're over on Twitch, please re-engage with me on Twitch. It's restarted. It's cleaned it up. And open your tabs over there on Twitch. Okay, here we go. Netflix is going down. As predicted, we are now up nearly 1%. That's very, very good. Vanguard S&P is up very, very slightly. Virgin Galactic is just falling back slightly. Virgin Orbit is up 5.35. To be fair, I watch you in 720p and it is fine. So you can reduce it. Now, I'm glad you've told me, because that is one thing you can do. I didn't know that. I was watching it glitch and I didn't realise. I knew that once you become an affiliate, people can select the stream bitrate, but I didn't know if it was going to work if what I'm already sending is buffering into their system. So it's good to know that, Paul. Thanks for letting me know. And I will check in with you next time then, when it buffers again, if you are seeing what I'm seeing. On YouTube. Oh, I see, on YouTube. I watch on 144 and it makes him better looking. It does. My skin goes perfect at 144. It's amazing. In 4K, you see all the pores and stuff, and you see I don't wear makeup. I can't sit in here with makeup every day. That's what they wear on TV, in front of all these lights. I mean, I've got lights everywhere. I don't know if you've noticed. When I sit here, there's a spotlight here. You can't really see it, but there's a spotlight here that comes down on me. There's a spotlight here that comes on me, and all the general ambient light. There's a lot of light on my face, but you know, with the professional lighting that I've got, I should use makeup. I should, but I don't want to sit with makeup on every day. I'd be uncomfortable. If I had some sort of powder, it would be good, but it'd be uncomfortable, right? Anyway, not sure how many watch that high quality. YouTube offering 144, but I'm watching 720 on YouTube. Yeah, if you go to YouTube and click the little cog settings, you will see that this stream goes up to Ultra HD, and you can watch it that way. It depends. Don't think you need 4K for your show. The reason why I do it, Paul, the reason why I do it is I try to do everything at the highest quality I can. I try to make everything sound, look as good as possible, because YouTube say they push out more the high quality streams. So they rank you higher, allegedly. So I just try to do everything I can to the highest level. You excited for Martyn after 4 o'clock? Here he is, Arnold Palmer. Me and Rob wear makeup most Saturdays. There you go. It's Martyn's show in the rough. It's Martyn's show in the rough. What does that mean, Martyn's show in the rough? What does that mean? Someone explain to me what that actually means. Right, here comes Netflix. Bouncing back up again. Made 4,000 so far today. Oh my gosh. Rob Brennan has made $4,000 today. Sold all my space at $7.77. I have a buy order for 20,000 shares at $7.65. Bloody hell. Oh no. Oh, I see. No makeups. Martyn's showing the rough. There you go. Especially since your camera is like 20% of the screen. Yes. But no, that's fair comment. But this the screen for the data and the graphics look better. But also, of course, when I switch to this camera and when I go back to the studio and when I do a live song, you can't change the stream quality throughout a stream. You can't suddenly switch it. So you have to have the highest level so you can switch. And otherwise, it ain't going to work, is it? That wouldn't look good. Anyway, stop telling me how to do my stream. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Guys, can you see this now? 1.43. I thought you are going to do an after dark stream. After dark stream, websites are all 72p, so that won't change. Fair enough. Shad's given me all the inside information here, but like you say, push up the best you can and people can scale down if they want. There you go. And also, the higher bit rate you go in, the better the audio quality. Anyway, enough of this nonsense. Enough of it. Okay. We're up 1.14. Netflix is coming back up again. Now then, tonight we've got the S&P is dropping slightly. Virgin Galactic is doing very well today. I'm up 15% now, $1,500. Virgin Orbit is up 5.35. I've got buy orders. For Tesla set in place. Rivian is up 4%. Look at this. Anyway, stocks tell me what to buy next. But like you say, anyway, stocks, tell me what to buy next. Lucid is up 1.52. Polestar is up 0.71. Arrival is up 5.16. Amazon is up 1.65. I want to see Amazon turn green for me. Apple is up 0.34. This is so good. Robin Hood, I've got a small position there. McDonald's is coming up. Johnson & Johnson, I'm interested in. Coca-Cola down 1%. Buy Joby Aviation. They just got they've applied for permission from the UK to fly. Very, very interesting. Joby Aviation. It was meant to be anyway. Back to stocks. I thought it was odd when you were saying stocks. I thought I'll just read it out. Sometimes I can't think about what I'm reading. I just have to read it. Anyway, Johnson & Johnson going down 2.66. It's not cheap enough for me to buy more. Not yet. I have to buy it a lot cheaper than that because I don't want to buy that much more. It's near my allocation. Google up nearly 4% now. Very, very good on Google. And the reason why Google is going up, this is like inside information, guys. I'm giving you inside information here now. I can tell you where the stock market is going to go based on one equivocal fact, which only YouTubers can provide you with. My analytics show me unequivocally that ad spend is going up. Ad spend that's paid to me is going up very, very slightly. What that means is companies must be doing okay because they're spending more on advertisement, which is the first thing that gets cut when you lose, when there's a downturn. Okay, so they are increasing their ad spend, which means Google make more money, which is a reason why Google are looking so good. Right? Google is going up. They're making money because Google own YouTube. YouTube are paying out more money. And that's an indication where the markets are going. Okay? So, worth noting. It's only a very, very small amount, I will tell you. It's hardly like pennies, but it is moving up. You're up 10% on Amazon. I wish I was. I bought it before it dropped. It dropped more. I bought it on the way down. You probably bought it at the bottom. Or you bought it a long time ago. One of the two anyway. McDonald's is coming back up again now. I'm looking at Coca-Cola. Johnson & Johnson still going down. I'll buy it when it goes considerably lower. Google is just hovering at 0 right now. Microsoft up 0.67. I bought after the split. Ah, right, okay. Yes, makes sense. I bought it way before then. I added to it to reduce my average, but lower my average, that is, but I didn't get it low. I didn't get it at its low like you did. Meta is up. It's great to make money on Facebook. Really great. I'm up 5% on it now, and in fact, it's going up. It's up 2%. Right, the portfolio should be bouncing back now. Oh, it's just dropped back a little bit. We're up 0.66. Oh, here it goes. What's going down? Netflix is now 207. We shouldn't look at Netflix anymore. We should cancel that, shouldn't we? Let's look at Tesla. Vanguard S&P is holding at the moment. Virgin Galactic. And the big day, of course, is tonight. Tesla. It will set a huge precedent. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Looking very interesting. Now then, I just want to put out our email newsletter. If you're watching for the first time, we do a cash giveaway every Friday. We've got 3 this week. We got one for Twitch for our members, and here is the newsletter. It's free to enter, free for all. You receive it every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Here is the weekly newsletter. Once you click on that, it'll take you to this page here. You'll see the email sign up. You put your email, nothing more, no name, address, nothing. I don't want any information at all. Just put your email in and you'll receive the weekly newsletter. Now, I will tell you now, because it is a cash giveaway, we do give away prizes. It might go into your spam because it uses keywords like free and giveaways, and that's what happens. So you've got to go into your email verification, your junk folder, and the email you're searching for in the chat right now, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Now then, for those of you that, there were 5 of you that didn't receive the email this week, I don't want you to miss out. And the reason why that was, I ran out of email allocation. I had to increase the numbers of people I can email. So here is the web version. So you can actually get in on the cash prize giveaway for this Friday there, without subscribing at the moment, because I'm sharing it because 5 of my subscribers didn't see it, and I want to share it with you so you don't miss out on the cash giveaway. All right, we've got 3 this week. Right, we've turned red. Tesla moving average on the 4 hours showing 75 as a strong buy. Going to try and wait for a retest. All right, lights F. We bounce back down again. That is perfectly normal at this time of the day. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a couple of minutes. Let's get everybody live. Click on your live button. Turn it from grey to red. If it's grey, you're behind the stream. You want to be up to date, obviously, for obvious reasons. And here we go. To bring you up to date, here comes the ad. Click the live button. Go from grey to red. Here we go. All right, we're back live again with you now. Fantastic. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. If you're watching on the repeat, give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. We've got 22 likes, 23 watching. That's pretty good. I've been holding Tesla since 1,100. I'd love to see that go green this year. I bet you would. And I would say you will. 100%. I would say another flippity Toro advert. That's because you watch. That's because you engage in eToro. That's why. Anyway, Day Trader of the Day. I was up like nearly 2% a minute ago. I don't want to say it yet. I'm going to wait. I don't want to say it. It's my show. I don't want to say it. Ethereum is up 2%. I'm up 46% now on 47 on. I've made 47 cents. I've got hardly any Ethereum at all. Literally a penny or two. I've got $1.47. There you go. Bitcoin, on the other hand, I've got a bit more. I've got $300 worth. But I'm not buying until it goes to 19, below 19. I will not pay any more than my average. That's just my rule. That's my rule. I just will not pay more than my lowest price. And I keep adding to it on my lowest price. Why can't I have Love Island adverts? I don't know. I don't control it, I'm afraid. Enphase Energy is just knocking back, but still up 0.25. What about Rio Tinto? Let's have a little look at Rio Tinto this morning, and let's see what Rio Tinto is doing. It's your show, Martin. Yeah, you're right. Rio Tinto. Let's have a little look at Rio. Let's have a look what we're doing with Rio Tinto this morning. This was, of course, Ali Isles put us onto this one. Holy, what a flip on markets. Yep. It's earnings season. Day trader's dream right now. It's earnings season. That's what's going on right now. Netflix is up 1%, back at 203, where Rob sold it. The S&P is going back down again. It will go up again shortly, though. Rio Tinto is down 0.85. I'm up 2%. I've got 30 shares, and I'm perfectly happy with that. I will only buy more when it goes considerably lower. Okay, the S&P is down 1.76. Holy, what a flip, says Lights F. Yeah, indeed. Okay. Neil Carver, I want to thank Neil Carver for becoming a new follower on Twitch. We have 82 followers now. 82. Very, very nice indeed. The S&P is falling back quite a bit. Right, day trader of the day. I can't hold any longer. It's 9 o'clock. I've got to do it. I don't want to. I want to report a positive number. FCX is a mining company like Rio. FCX, another mining company like Rio. There we go. Thanks, guys. Mike just posted MFCX. Half the price. Doesn't mean it's half. Remember, the price is not the value, though, right? I mean, it doesn't matter if it's $1 million a share. It's irrelevant. It's all about the value. It's all about the percentages. Okay, here we go. I'm about to report, and I'm trying to wait like another second or two because it might turn green any second. Come on, I'm going to report now. It's day trader of the day. Everyone's waiting to do it and going, come on, it's time. Let's watch the next movement. Is the next movement going to be up or down? See it? Let's zoom in. Watch it. The next movement I'll report. Okay, if it goes up, I'll report. If it goes down, I'll report. Okay, I've got no choice. I've got to. Dividends. We only like Rio because of the disgusting dividend. Space really didn't like that 780 resistance level. Let's have a quick look at Space for a moment. No. We went all the way up to 780, 778, and it bounced back down again. It's trying again, though. I've got a report. It's no good. I'm going to go down. Sorry, guys. I've got to do it. Right, down. 0.26 is probably going to go up any second. But anyway, there's my score on the screen right now. And start posting. When the first person posts, I'll put the minute clock on the screen. All right, here we go. Here is our first score coming in. So 1 minute from now, I'm down 0.26. Oh, NYS is up 0.63. NYS is up 0.63. Chicky, 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 pa, chicky, 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 pa, pa. Down 0.32. James M. James M is down 0.32. The winner so far is up 0.63. No question about it. NYS 420 vibes is up. Oh, hang on. Shad has got into the lead. Up 1.45. Up 1.45. Shad. Hang on. Horvath Daniels just got into the lead. Up 2.7. It just keeps on getting better. Congratulations, Horvath Daniel is up 2.7. Oh, even better again. Ali Isles, 3.69. It just kept getting better and better and better. 3.69. Absolutely. Are we talking Robin Hood? Are we talking Robin Hood? 328. 328. Are we talking Robin Hood? 328. Let's have a quick look. Hang on. What's happening? Robin Hood. Are we talking Robin Hood? Lights F, you confused me. Oh, are you up or down? Are you up or down? 328. Bill is up 398. Bill is up 398. Right, at the end of all of that, confusion, 398. Bill just takes the lead. Your main portfolio. Yes, your main portfolio. And it can't just be you've got a portfolio with like Shiba Inu in it or one crypto. It's a collect. It's your main portfolio with all your crypto and your stocks and shares. Your main portfolio, what you're up. So it's an average. So it's a spread. Otherwise, you could buy one stock and be up 3,000%, and you know that's not the same as a main portfolio. So, Bill, shove off. Give me my mug back. Bill is up 3.98. Bill is a little bit on the line of the rules because he only has a couple of shares. But it is his main portfolio. He just only has a few shares at the moment. But Bill has been winning a lot recently. I will say that. So thank you, Bill. Congratulations. Thanks for your honest trades. And give him a big round of applause. There we go. Go mad. Go crazy. Congratulations, Bill. Very well done indeed. Mike is up 0.25. At the moment, I'm not doing so well. I'm just trying to break even, but I'm not worried. I was up 1,000% with Bitcoin. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You can't be doing that sort of stuff. I don't think anyone's up 1,000%, are they? Unless you bought Bitcoin 10 years ago, then you might be. Ali who, and that's not day trading anyway. It's the day trade position, not your overall position over the last year or the last month or the last 10 years. We all start somewhere. A few shares is better than no shares. Absolutely. Absolutely. No, don't get me wrong, James. Bill used to have a lot of shares. He sold. Right, now then, can someone do me a test? This is the moment I've been waiting for. Can someone do a test? Look on Twitch right now and lower the quality of the stream to the lowest level, because I am seeing Twitch glitch right now. Twitch is glitching. Twitch is glitching. That's good, isn't it? And you can lower the quality of the stream. If you lower it, does it fix it? Because if it does, I don't need to restart it. All right? If you are seeing a better quality, if you can reduce your bit rate and it fixes it, let me know. I'm just starting out, so I have only 4 shares. That's right. Hey, listen, NYS, I started with just $5,000 a year and a bit ago. Oh, does it? So it does if you lower it. 360p fixes the issue. Is that right? So if you lower it, it actually fixes it, even though I'm glitching. Mike, can you try that? Mike, right, okay, that's interesting. So Mike, can you reduce your quality and see if it fixes it? Wow, there you go. I don't have to restart it. Glitchy at 1440, switch to 728 was better. Ah, I started with a pencil, 3 buttons and a seashell. I love that. I started with, that's the quote of the day. Right, I'm going to put that as a quote. There you go. I'm going to grab that. I'm going to grab that as a quote of the day. There we go. I'm going to quote that as a quote of the day. Because you don't know what this is about yet, but you soon will. There you go. I'm going to grab that. You'll see soon what my quotes of the day are all about. Wow, that's strange. 480 stutters the audio. 360 is perfect. 4 is awful. 180. There you go. There you go. So it does fix it. There you go. So it's stuttering for me. But if you reduce it, but if you scale back up, yes. So there you go. So if you reduce it, it fixes it. That's good to know. That's good to know. So there you go. So if you reduce the stream, it fixes it. Okay. So I'm going to put a note here. Reduce on Twitch. Because maybe I can put a message on screen. And then people will know that. I can say that. Reduce quality on Twitch and it fixes it. That is something only an affiliate was able to do. But Martin, you look like a potato at 360. I look like a potato? How do I look now then? How's that look? How's that look at 360? Do I look like a potato, Mr. Potato Head? Mr. Potato Head. That's all right. Most people think I look like a potato anyway, so it's all fine. Anyway, like a big potato. Oh, I should have waited to report. All the way back up again. Rio Tinto is down 1.16. I'm up 1.76. Waiting to buy more. Vanguard S&P is coming back up again. Virgin Galactic. Oh, huge swing right then. This time, will it break 780? Looked like that. You look like the Whoville villain. Who's he? Who's he when he's at home? Virgin Orbit 396 about to break 4. Tilray Brands up 10%. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Tilray Brands up 10% now. I prefer YouTube quality stream, but I prefer Twitch's ability to split screen. Wish YouTube would come out with that feature. Ali who? Villain. I don't know who he is. I ain't got a clue. There you go. Tilray Brands looking good. Up 10% today. Right. Netflix. Come back up again. This portfolio is popping up very quickly. Now, what we're looking for right now is to see if SPCE can break 780. It bounced off it last time. It's a new high. Virgin Orbit doing very well. Tesla up 0.28. Now, let me just come back to this very quickly. We are doing a Tesla show tonight. After hours earning, Mr. One and Only Elon Musk is live on the show. He's live on the show, folks. We're going to have him live on the show. You know what I mean when I say that. Don't someone quote me on it. You know what I mean. Right, here is the link to Tesla. Okay, there is the link to Tesla right now. I've posted it. Go and give it a like. Let's try and get a viral Tesla broadcast tonight. So what you have to do to help me get it viral is you go and give it a like. You go over in the chat like Mike has already done. NYS is a bronze member. Look, he's already over there. And also you click the notification bell. Doing those things tells YouTube that this must be a good video and it will share it more. That's the purpose of doing that. Now, if you don't do it, it means you don't want the channel to grow, which is fine. You don't want us to, that's fine. You might decide that's what you want. If you don't want the channel to grow, and then don't do it. Don't do any of that stuff. Rio Tinto is down today, 1.1. Is Tesla pretty prompt? Yes. No. Netflix is different. Tesla's spot on. It's only Netflix that do that. Anyway, and I apologize for those of you that waited an hour and a half last night. Finally, Netflix started, but we had a technical glitch about 15 minutes in. Do you remember? It all went wrong. So I apologize for that last night. I think it was the fact I was going live all day. The computer just struggled a little bit there. It is spot on time. I'm trying to help it grow to be the best. There you go. Mike, you're doing everything you can. He'll be live during the report and you will have the report live on your show. There you go. That is correct. He will be live during the report and I will have the report live on your show. That is the technical way of saying it. Bill is absolutely right. So Elon Musk will be live on my show. Right, here we go. Virgin Galactic now. Will it break 780? Will Virgin Galactic break 780 right now? This is very, very important to see if it breaks 780. 776. We got a resistance at 780 last time. If we can break through that and start to push up, this will be good for the stop. Maybe we could reach $8 today. And that would be very, very exciting. My average is 671. I'm up 15.25%. 775. We are watching it. Rob Brennan has got a massive position in it. So I've got 1,400 shares. It's the second biggest part of my portfolio right now. I have to go. See you later, Mike. See you later. Closing bell this afternoon. Thank you ever so much. 2 days left of our Kickstarter. Has everybody got their tickets that want to be involved in the making of the film? 775, look, guys, getting close. If you want to be in the making of the film, if you want to be at the convention, once in a lifetime, I would imagine. If you want to be involved in it, you can either be virtually involved in it. If you don't get it, you can't get it afterwards, all right? Get a ticket, you can be involved either virtually or in person. If you just back it with $1, you will be involved in it in one way or another. So it's up to you what you do. Virgin Galactic 775. It's trying. The overall portfolio is Netflix. I don't know if I should show Netflix anymore for Rob Brennan. Anyway, 38,000 now. We're at 1.15. We're topping again. We're hitting that resistance level again. Rio Tinto is still going down. Vanguard S&P might not be able to make it. Need to know the date. Yes, it's in between October 5th and 20th. I could actually announce the date that we're going to meet if you're not bothered about being actually at the Virgin orbit. I tell you what I will do. I will announce it before it closes tomorrow. I will announce the date we will meet tomorrow before it closes, because that way you can know when it is. We'll have a vote on it. I'll give you a couple of dates. We'll have a vote on it tomorrow. So if you want to be at the convention, you can choose the date, and we'll do it before tomorrow. I think that's the best thing to do. Okay? That way you can all get a ticket. You all know when it is. You can book your flights. You can plan to be in Cornwall, and we can all be there. So I will give you a couple of options tomorrow. We'll vote on it. We'll pick the most popular day, and we will commit to it. All right. I've been waiting for some information that hasn't appeared yet, but I'm gonna make a decision tomorrow. There you go. All right. I'll do that tomorrow. Virgin Galactic is going back down again. It bounced back off that slightly lower. It bounced off 775. We're up 0.82. Rio Tinto is now coming back up again. Johnson & Johnson's now come back up. Yep. It's not gone low enough for me to buy more. Google. None of these things are low enough now for me to buy. I'm up on all of them. And the ones I'm down on, I don't either want anymore, or they've not gone cheap enough. So I'm waiting to buy. Just haven't done it yet. Rolls-Royce is down 1%. I want to get my money out of Rolls-Royce. It's dead money at the moment. It's been a long time, nearly a year I've held that position. Shad, you got to make it. Yeah, he's got to make it. So it will be great fun. I will give that date tomorrow. We've got to commit to it. One way or another, we've got to commit to it. Target. I'm up 2%. I'm not buying any more. I've got a big enough position in it. Tesco's up 2%. Ginkgo Bioworks is up 11%. I'm up 14%. I've got a big enough position. Don't want to buy any more. Tilray Brands, great day today, up 10%. This is really good. I'm just down 9% now. Now I could have bought more, but I wouldn't have wanted to buy more, because if I had have done. By the way, we are doing the Tilray Brands earnings report. We're covering that one as well. That's coming up soon here on the Day Trader. Ginkgo Bioworks, Allianz. That's why I need a date. I have a few weddings booked in October. Okay, so we will have a vote tomorrow on the date, and we will pick the most popular date, and that's it. We'll commit to it. Okay? We will do it tomorrow. SPCE. Let's go back to it. It's getting close. 776. I'd expect it if it breaks 780, then we'll bounce around there. That's what James says. If we don't break, it should bounce between 730 and 750 before we try again. Kind of makes sense. All right. Just as a side note, I'm presuming everyone would prefer a weekend. Would everyone prefer a weekend for the convention in October to meet? I'm just asking. Is a Saturday or a Sunday the best? Well, I can ask it now. Saturday or Sunday the best? Saturday or... All right, Arrival is going... Here we go again. Virgin Galactic is trying again, 776. Arrival is now up 10.96. Screw the wedding, we're more important. Arrival is up 10%. This is fantastic news. Up 10% right now on Arrival. Looking good. I'm up nearly 5% now. That is great. I think this is one of the best positions I've been in. If I'm correct, I think this is the best I've been in, and we're seeing some movement now. Virgin Galactic 779, really important stuff now. Here we go, testing it for the second time. 779. Are we going to get some buyers at this price and break this? 779. If this can push up now, 780. Here we go. If it can hold for a few minutes. Vorb is up to 4. I'm now up 1.45. 780. It's bouncing off it. I sold Arrival yesterday. Says James M. Ouch. We know how that feels. 779. 779. 780. We want to get 785. We want to get 790. Really break through it. And the only way we break through it is people feel they need to buy in. And that's very hard until there's any reason to buy in. There's no great news. Why would anyone pay 780 when they know it's been down at 6? Why would they do it? That's the thing. To get it to go up now, you need people to come in and buy it at this price. And that's hard without any news when people haven't got much money. But if it does, it's very, very encouraging for the markets overall, because this is one of the most high speculative stocks there are. For me, it's not. I don't see it as that, but most people regard it as very high risk, very speculative. I don't think anything Richard Branson does is speculative at all, but a lot of people do. And because of that, they're holding back. So if you see this market pump up, it's great. 780, 780. It's holding there. My overall position now is doing very well, as you can see. I'm up at the moment now 1.33. We've broken our position again for today, which is looking good. Virgin Galactic is 778. It's just bouncing off it. I regret nothing, and you're absolutely right. James, you made a profit. I sold for a profit and don't have faith in it. It doesn't matter if you have faith in it or not. Look at Rob Brennan. He loves Virgin Galactic, but he sold it several times. You make a profit, you are the winner. You are always the winner. It doesn't matter, like Netflix, look, has gone up now. Netflix has gone up. Rob could have made more money, but he made a profit. He made a profit, and then he bought something else, which that stock made in money. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. A profit is a profit. If you make money, you make money. You're only competing against yourself. You're not trying to beat everybody else. Don't ever try and do that. Do your own thing, and that's it. It is bouncing around there. It's holding, though, but the longer it holds, the more likely it will come down unless it pushes through quickly. Just tell the bride that I said you need to go to the day traders event. There you go. Ali Isles, you're absolutely right. It's holding there, which is not good. The longer it holds there, the more likely it's going to come back down. We want to see it go up quickly. Break through 780 and then we're good. Doesn't mean to say it won't go back down again, of course. Swing trading, it's a day trader's dream right now. People are making money that way. I am not at the moment. Sorted. Now up 6.34%. Lights F is up 6.3F. 6.34. That's fantastic. My main portfolio's up now 1.59. This is very, very good. Now, where's it coming from? Rio Tinto's coming back up again. Vanguard S&P, the most important reflection of everything. The S&P is up. I'm only down 1.43. I've got enough, though. I'm not buying any more. Virgin Galactic is still 779. The longer that goes on, the more likely it'll come back down again. If it breaks quickly, that's a good sign. But who is going to buy it at 779? That's the problem. If Richard Branson suddenly reported something, up it would go. But there's nothing coming out right now. We're always looking for it. Virgin Orbit is broke $4, $4 too. I've got to buy at $3.50. Or was it $3.50 or $3.25? One of the two. I can't remember now. Tesla is coming back up again. Earnings tonight. Rivian back up again. 32. Lucid's coming up. Let's check anybody tonight is coming to Tesla. We got 6 likes on it now. Great stuff. 6 likes. Leave a comment. Matthew has put a hi in the chat. There you go. Thanks, Matthew. All this stuff helps it to become busy tonight in the chat. To potentially go viral. Matthew's done it. Let's have a quick look. Smash the like button and click the notification bell. This is the link to Tesla earnings tonight. And Tesla isn't like Netflix. It'll be on time. There you go. I posted it twice in the chat for you. We're up now nearly 2%. We're up nearly 2% now. Let me go back to SPCE. 780. 780. But it wants to push through now and get away from that last peak. Needs to break this resistance line. Push up through. Let's look at the... Let's look at the candles over there on... there we go. Some strong buying. This is good. Look. Strong buying and no selling. Look, in the last 15 minutes or so. Look, this is the position of SPCE. Green candles coming in. Not much selling in the last 15, 20 minutes. There we go. We are now at 782. 782, just come back off a work call. Found that my space order filled at 765 and just seen the stop price at 780. I know, look at the volume per tick. I think it might break. There you go. There you go. The volume's looking good. 783. Strong buying was all me. It was. Rob, and me and you, Rob, we can influence the market, my friend. We could if we bought millions of shares. So once we get that big on the day trader, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to control the market. We are going to be the boys in charge. 783. I am now up 2%. Let's have a look. Let's get some perspective. Strong buying, always me. I'm up on the live, 2.65. I'm up on the day, 2%. I'm up on the week, 16.17. I'm up on the month, 19.3. And now 3 months now is down to 16.9. The overall, much better. It's getting better. Long way to go though, guys. I'm not all excited. Remember, I'm down. Well, you can look. I am down 35%. I've lost 35% of my money. But I'm in a much stronger position. I own a lot more shares. I own a lot cheaper shares. So I'm in a much, much better position than I've ever been in. And it will go up very quickly all of a sudden. Doesn't mean to say we're not going to get dips on the way, though. Rio Tinto has come back up again. And all the dividends, of course, will be good for my portfolio because they will put the... when they pay out, when Rio Tinto pays $100 out, my portfolio will go up $100 immediately and it'll be reinvested immediately as well. Right. Just 1.27. Rob Brennan is now up $6,500 today. Over 31,000 this month. Should I start a day trading course? Yep, you should be like Meet Kevin and you can start charging for it. Absolutely right. There you go. Do it. For the first time in months, my space is green. I feel like crying. Are you joking or are you being serious? And I understand if you are being serious because I know what it feels like. I've been margin called. I've sold stocks at losses. I bought Virgin Galactic at $35. I know what it feels like to be margin called, lose money, sell when you're down, thinking it's all going to zero. I've been there. I'm serious. Yeah. I feel like crying. I get it. It's very emotional. People forget. Well, I don't think they forget. This is real money, folks. This is a real family. You've invested tens of thousands of hours of your lives. That's scary, right? You're now thinking, yeah, right, hang on a minute, I shouldn't be doing this. This is wrong. Tens of thousands of hours of your lives into this. We are here supporting each other on the up days and the down days. You've seen me cry on the show. You've seen me do it in real life. You supported me. You gave me words of encouragement. You gave me financial tips to support the channel, because that's how I earn my living. This is what I do. We've seen people lose all their money. Do you remember the guy from India who lost all his money? He said his parents were going to kill him. Do you remember that? What did he buy? What did he buy? There was a pharmaceutical company he bought. Does everybody remember that one? NRXP. Was it NRXP? He literally bought one stock with all his money, all on margin, because he thought it was the best stock in the world and it couldn't do anything but go up, and it did everything but go down. And we never heard from him again. He never came back after that. We never know what happened to him. Anyway. Arrival. Pumping. 10% now. I collab with the Wolf of Dubai. Call in extra. I'll collab with the Wolf of Dubai. Don't you dare. Call in times 20 trading. I hate that stuff. Seriously. People that charge you to tell you it's terrible, right? You guys subscribe to the channel and you're members because you support the channel to keep it going for the entertainment, whatever. And you know it's the only way I can survive, right? But you don't pay for my financial tips. One, really on YouTube, you can't do it. It's actually not even allowed, number one. And number two, day traders, 95% of day traders get it wrong. And at some point, everyone gets it wrong. So to charge people for advice on how to day trade, just keep it free, do it as entertainment, provide the facts, provide the information, but also what the Wolf doesn't do is show you his real money and his real trades and his real life positions. It's very easy for me to say, everyone should buy Tesla today, when I'm not actually doing it. Very, very easy. Anyway, I volunteer for Rob Brennan if you need a test person. For years straight, all I did was sell, learn very quick, and never been happier just holding lately. There we go. I'm glad. Yeah, I lost thousands when I first started trading in oil. Lost 6,000 when it crashed over a weekend and hit my margin call. We know how that feels. Put me off for years trading, only really got back into it recently. Probably prog. Everyone lost money on that one. We have a long way to go for all my stocks to be green. I'll be a millionaire if that ever happens. I had 75 shares of Gush for a $23 average and sold at 33. It was $250 a week a few weeks ago. Lights F, listen to this story. Lights F, I had 75 shares of Gush for $23. He sold at 33. It was 250 a few weeks ago. Yeah, but the thing is, Lights F, you sold your shares and basically you then put it into something else which may have been better. That's the way I look at it. Right, we got some serious stuff to look at right now. Look at this. We're up now 1.97. We're up 2.46. This is big time now. This is big time, guys. Rio Tinto is going up. The S&P, for the very first time, could be soon about to turn green. I am 1% down. I've been like 10% down. This S&P has been over 10% down. I've been buying the dips, but my position now is 1% down. I would love nothing better than to see my second biggest position turn green overall. That would be only $126 out of 11,000. That is completely doable. And today it could happen. 781 Virgin Galactic. It's bounced back though. Oh, here it goes. But it set a new high. Maybe it will come back. Virgin Orbit up 8% today. Big time. Huge news. Tesla. I never got anyone to answer. Is a weekend a better time to meet in October? Saturday or Sunday? Start getting your information in, guys. Yeah, a profit is a profit. Don't knock it. Never regret taking profits. That leads to FOMO, which kills portfolios. Yeah, the guy who put all his money in one stock sounds like me, except now I'm diversified because I have 25,000 in Tesla. Yeah. Yeah. It's all about percentages, guys. When you hear the numbers that Rob Brennan talks about, you know, $25,000, it's huge, right? It's huge. But you might only have $10 in it. You might have no money at all. You work at McDonald's, I'm just saying, and you have $100 a week to pay the bills, and you have $10 in Tesla. It's the same to you as it is to Rob Brennan. It's all about percentages. If you can buy, using Robinhood, fractional shares and get yourself a piece of anything, that's okay. Right, Tesla is up 1%. My gosh. This is really pumping now. Volume is big. I had Apple for $40 a share probably 10 splits ago. I'd be a millionaire and sold it for a loss in early 90s. It's the equivalent of buying Apple at around 0.38 cents today. Listen to that. That's a story and a half. I have hidden all my values, trade-off percentages. Yeah, always. Always. Look at Tesla. 2.47. This is huge, guys. Great mistake. I had two low stop loss and lost a move of 20 grand. Mihai is back. How are you, Mihai? Mihai is one of our guests. If you've not got the weekly newsletter yet, here's one of your last chances before Sunday for next week's newsletters. Here it is. Make sure you subscribe to the newsletter. It's free to enter, free for all. I don't send you spam. I don't send you anything you don't ask for. All it does is give you the cash giveaways. We do it that way. Someone asked me yesterday, why do you do it by email? To reward the real people, not spammers and people like that. PLTR pump. Thank you very much indeed. Let's go for the shares. Bitcoin SV is up today, 0.31. Enphase Energy is up 1.26. Ginkgo Bioworks up 0.47. Tilray Brands was up 10%, just falling back slightly. On is up 0.8. I'm up now 2.33%. Yes, 2.3 now. Canoe Gove is down 0.12. Tesco is down 1%. Target is up 0.5%. Walmart is up 0.25%. Rolls-Royce is down 0.43. Let's go through up 1.59. PLTR Fusion is pumping 7.51. IonQ. Is the bear market over? The bear market is not over. It's done by so many weeks of it being down. No. So we need so many weeks of it being up. We need like 6 weeks of it being up. And the overall S&P 500 is not up 6 weeks. My portfolio is up, right? But the bear market is not officially over. And also, not only that, I have said, before anyone said, that the high-tech, high-risk stocks have bottomed. And I stand by that. I don't think the overall market has bottomed, but the majority of my portfolio is in high-risk, high-tech stocks anyway. So my portfolio probably has bottomed, even if we do have some dips in between. SoFi is up 4.53. Meta is up 2%. Microsoft 0.89. Now, if you are buying now, though, there's an element of FOMO, and there could be market manipulation. Oh, look at that. That is why you buy one of the best companies in the world with a great dividend, with a great history, that'll always do well. I bought the dips. It's now gone back up again. I'm only down 1.83. Wicked. Brilliant. Their earnings was great. And when I say great, it wasn't amazing, but they exceeded expectation. And in this climate, that's a great. All right. Coca-Cola down 1%, 1.4. If it goes down 3%, I'll buy some more. McDonald's. Robin Hood. We're at 2.2%. Apple is up 1% now. I'm up for the first time on Apple. I am up on the first time with Apple. Yes, I am up for the first time on Apple. It's got a dividend which will be reinvested, which will put it up anyway. But look at that. I bought it here, but it kept going down. I am now up for the first time on Apple. Very, very pleased with that now. I'm up 0.16. I've made $6. It's a big position. It's 26 shares for me. But there we go. And in fact, it's 6% of my portfolio. Amazon, I'm still down 1%. Oh, 0.95. I'm nearly up on Amazon. Fantastic. And again, if you look at Amazon over its period, look, it's on the floor. Can only go up from here, guys. Can only go up from here. I'm only down 1%, less than that now. Great. No dividends there, though. Nothing exciting like that. Arrival, up 10%. Polestar, up 1%. Still down 10%. Not really bothered about this stock, if I'm honest. I will sell it, possibly on a wash. Rob, did you sell your Netflix? Yes, he did, and he made a profit. He did. He made a profit. I know he sold it at 203. He bought it at 190. He made a very, very good profit on it, even though it's popped up a little bit more. And he put the money into Tesla and Virgin Galactic. So I think that was a good thing to do. 38%, 38,000 now. 2% up. Rio Tinto. Vanguard S&P. I'm just 1% away. Virgin Galactic, 777. Now then. It bounced last time off 770. Let's see if it bounces again off 770. Was 220-ish on the earnings pump. Yes, it was. Yes, but he couldn't sell pre-earnings and he couldn't sell after hours either. Sorry, he couldn't sell pre-hours and after hours. Otherwise, he would. I was shouting at the screen saying, sell it now, sell it now. He couldn't. He was fully aware of that. eToro would not let him sell. Otherwise, he would have done. Right, guys, we've got to end the show. I've got to go to water aerobics for my exercise because my back is getting stiff these days, sitting in this chair talking to you guys. Right. Our friend from Korea is not here at the end of the show, so we can't do Take On Me. Hopefully he'll be back again another time, but we have to go now. 25,000 would bring me out of debt with a little left over for a meal. There you go. Was 220-ish in earnings. Yes, he wanted to sell it, but he couldn't. You need a stand-up desk. Yeah, I wonder, let's try it, shall we? There we go. What about that for a view? Is that any good? Is that good? What do you reckon about that? Is that good? I don't know if it would work. I wonder if I could do my show standing up. I don't know if I could actually, the way it's all set out. Probably not. I'll have a look into that. That's a good idea. Thanks for that. Anyone holding big positions on Lucid? I'm holding Lucid, whether it's a big position or not, you can decide. Lucid, I've got 20 shares, and I'm up 21% on it. I'm holding it. I'm up 21%. I'm not selling it. Netflix is going back down. Right, it's time to close out the show, guys. We are back for the closing bell, and we are back for Tesla. Let's see who my friends are. Did anybody like the video and click notify? Ring the bell. Here you go. Let me give you the link right now. This is the After Hours with Elon Musk. We'll be live on the Day Trader. You know it. You know it. Right? Go and give it a like now and leave a comment in the live chat. It helps the channel to take off. Shad's done it. Matthew's done it. I've done it, of course. And Mike's done it. And all you do is you click notify, you ring the bell. There it is. Just here. Thanks for that, guys. Right then, let me just bring you back to here. Finish off. I'm going to go water aerobics. If you're watching on the repeat, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you very much indeed. And give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow. Now, if you've signed up for the newsletter but you never received it, I'm giving this out today because I had my email allocation wasn't high enough to send everybody emails. So here is the web version, so no one misses out on the videos to watch. And if you watch all the way through, the video links are in there. Leave the comment. You'll be in our free prize draw for Friday. We also have a prize to give to our Twitch subscribers. And we have 5 subscribers. And you can subscribe for free using your Amazon Prime account. It's completely free. And we're doing a cash prize draw every first Friday of the month. To start it off, we're doing it this Friday. And there's going to be cash prizes, and it will cost you nothing. It's supporting me. It gives me $1.85 a month. Doesn't cost you anything. It's part of your Amazon Prime, and you're supporting the show, and you're going in. It's like buying a free lottery ticket without paying for it every week, and there'll be cash prizes and all sorts. So everyone should be a subscriber on my Twitch account. Makes perfect sense, and you can still watch on YouTube. All right. Okay, we're going to wrap it up. We're up 2.32, looking very, very nice. Rio Tinto is trying to come back up again. The S&P, I'm under 1%. Oh, look at this. I don't want to go off air. Look at this, guys. I might go green. And this might become, hang on a minute, 18%, 17%. And Tesla is 15%. Right. So VU right now is my biggest part of my portfolio, and it could go up to 20% of my portfolio today. Bought 25 Tesla at 780 at August expiry. Tesla at 780. Bought 25 Tesla 780 call options, August expiry. Thank you, Rob Brennan. We're now at 749. Nice, Rob. Now, a perma bull on Tesla like me thinks Tesla is going to have a good earnings. When I say good, we know it's going to be bad, but it's going to be better than anticipated. I think the representation from Elon Musk about what's to come will be so exciting this time round. Even though it's down, it's going to be great. They're going to bring out stuff and it's going to go up. Even a bear like Market Profit thinks that Tesla is going to surge today. A surge for Tesla would be to go to $800 a share. And that's a big deal. That's a big deal. If I could go up $50 a share, that's about $700 today for me. That's a huge, huge day for me. That's all the options trading I'm doing this month. You're very brave man. I don't do any options trading at all. I just buy a piece of the pie and hold it. That's me. Anyway, Lucid wants to run here. Lucid will go to $40 a share. It was there before all the overselling. This will double. Why do I not own more? I don't need to own more. If this goes to $1,000 in my portfolio, it'll go to 1.5% of my portfolio. That's all. It's just one of my EVs. I shouldn't own any more than this. Arrival, I've really got to go. 11%. Wow. It's really pumping now. There's obviously good news coming from Arrival. We'll try and find out what it is later. Tesla is on fire. Let's look at SPCE. 779. It is actually pushing higher. Look, the lower lows, the higher highs, all this stuff. Look, it is getting better. Look at this now. Look, now will it break 780 again? The last peak was 784. My 25,000 tester only bought me 33 shares. Yeah, 33. Hey, 33 shares. That's not bad, is it? That's just about double what I've got. All EVs are just pumping. And if you don't know the reason why, it's all about human sentiment. People are realizing global warming is here. For those that don't believe it, they now believe it. Look at England yesterday on fire. We need the solar, we need the wind, we need the EVs, we need the batteries, we need to get EVs, solar, wind to take off. It's why it's the biggest part of my portfolio. And also, Virgin Galactic will play a part in that. Any of this stuff, any of this technology will come. Virgin Orbit, important for all of that. Why is that important? That's for communications and security, the war. And Virgin Orbit will have a part to play in all that stuff as well. Communications. Look at Starlink from Elon Musk. Global internet from satellites. Not saying you'll use Virgin Orbit, of course, but I'm sure he can cope with it on his own. But there you go. Netflix is coming back up again. I'm not buying it. High fuel prices surely help EV. That also helps. That also helps. And market profit, amazing day. Good day all. Market profit, we were just talking about you a second ago. Up 2.92. Rio Tinto's back up again. Coming back up. But my S&P, this could be history about to break. I've never been in the black on my S&P. I've been down like 10% and I keep buying more and more. And unfortunately, I couldn't buy any. I couldn't afford to buy any more to get it any lower. But there we go. I said today it could turn green. SoFi is up 5%. Breaking news on SoFi. There's so much to talk about. I've got to go. Johnson & Johnson is up. Arrival hitting its resistance. If it breaks, that's straight to Uranus. Google is up 3.81. This is good. Let me look at Microsoft. McDonald's is coming up. Johnson & Johnson, yeah, that's bouncing back. That's good. Coca-Cola coming up again. Apple is up 1.62. I'm up on Apple for the first time. Rob Brennan, market, I bought 25,000 of Tesla. Amazon is up. I'm nearly making money on Amazon for the first time. History is happening on my channel right now. I have never made money on these stocks. I have by day trading, but not my long-term positions. They've never been up yet. I've got to go. I've got to leave for water aerobics in like 20 minutes. I've got to get changed. I'm so excited because we're about to turn green. Overall, on many of my positions, look at this. Look at this. Arrival, 174. Looks like we're officially entering a melt-up phase. All support levels have been broken through. Horrific data and earnings are propelling this market. Wouldn't you be surprised if this goes parabolic? Hang on a second, market. Horrific earnings. Horrific earnings. Let's get that into context. It's really important from you're my yin to the yang and the yang to the yin. Johnson & Johnson yesterday were one of the first big companies to report. Everyone is expecting really bad earnings. And of course we do. Inflation, war, everything else. We all expect bad earnings. They exceeded expectations. Was it a great earnings? No. Was it up to their usual standards? No. But they exceeded expectations. So in today's market, this is stop clicking. What stop clicking? What do you mean? What do you mean stop clicking? This is anyone clicking? Am I making a clicking noise? Let me know if I am. It was a good earnings. It was a good earnings for being not as bad as it could have been. So I love it. This is the beginning of the bottom. Right, Coca-Cola is coming up, SPCE. Virgin Galactic is now 780 again. Virgin Orbit is 40. I've got to go right now. Okay, we're going to roll the credits. Stop clicking. What do you mean by clicking? Just confirm to me what you mean. Lucid, the worst economic data, the higher the market cap will go. The worst. Oh, dear. No, I just think we are just not as bad as we thought it was. That's all. Arrival doing great. Right, I'm ending the show now. Amazon is about to turn green overall for the first time. Virgin Galactic 680. The Vanguard S&P is about to break. Tesla, 748. It could hit $800 today. Right, I'm going to roll the credits. Rio Tinto's coming up. My portfolio is now up 2.91. You keep changing screens. Just go. Okay. Okay, here we go. Right, I'm going to finish the show right now. Thanks ever so much, guys. You've been absolutely wonderful. Roll those credits. Let's go to the end screen. Let's roll the credits. But no one gave me a super chat. No one gave... You all made a load of money. But no one gave me a super chat. So I don't think the credits are going to be very exciting. Here we go. Let's bring in the music. Why is that so quiet? That's better. Up 1.81. Let's roll the credits. Here we go. I'm going to go right now. Let's roll the credits. Shooby-doo. All right, here it comes. Do we get anybody credit in the show? There is no time for a song. Here we go. Stars of the show, the moderators, Restream Bot. It was awful. No one subscribed. No one became a member. No one gave me a super chat. I sat here for 16 hours, provided you with the greatest entertainment on planet Earth. We've got Elon Musk live on the show, and I earned $2 in ad revenue. Nothing else. No subscribers, no super chats. But I've had another great day in the life of me. Thank you ever so much for being here. Thanks ever so much. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. I'm unplugged. Officially, I'm unplugged from my system. I've got to leave the house in 14 minutes. Shad, you're so stressed. Is he? Is he stressed? What's he done wrong now? That's it from me. Have a wonderful afternoon. Make sure that you get into the closing bell and then join us for the after hours with Elon Musk. Yes, Martyn is stress-free. I am stress-free, but I love my life. Martyn wears tearaway pants, has his British flag Speedo underneath. No, I don't actually, but I've got to get changed. He's going to miss his swim. No, I'm not. That's it. See you all back for the closing bell. What a great day. Make money, have fun. I'm going. Take care of yourselves and each other.